guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this super cool motion picture in Adobe Photoshop. Select your photo and go to Filter, Blur Gallery, and select the Path Blur. Then we are just going to adjust the blur like this. You can also adjust it however you like. Let me just adjust this here. Then go to the rear sync flash one, and we're going to lower the taper and adjust the speed. You can adjust it to your liking, of course, but I'm just going to do mine like this. Press OK. And then we're going to add on a gradient map here. So I did make the gradient already, but if you want to follow the colors, I'm just going to grab this and place it up here. This is what I used. I just double clicked on it, and here are the kind of gradient map like that I used. Here's the color for the blue one, 628-4FE, and then I did like a slight warm tone here. And then where you place it, it doesn't have to be fully exact, but this is for the location: 80, 63, 47, 30, and 13. Press OK and you're done. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!